Epilepsy is a common disease which affects globally about 8 to 9 persons per 10,000 population. In India, it is the same, that is, every 10,000 persons, 8 to 9% will have epilepsy. Epilepsy is a disease and it can be cured or at least controlled by proper anti-epileptic drug therapy. Unfortunately, the treatment gap, that is the number of patients who receive treatment, is very low in the developing countries in India. And in India, only out of 100 eligible patients for treatment, 30 gets adequate anti-epileptic drugs. There are many factors behind it. The major factor is the ignorance about the disease and the stigma associated with the disease. People think epilepsy is not a disease, it is a curse and it cannot be cured, and it should not be given to the society, camouflaged from the society, and it should be kept secret. But we as doctors and neurologists practicing in this country, we can assure that if epileptic patients approach a doctor and take medication and other advice from the doctors, their disease can be controlled and cured in many cases, and they can have a normal life including service, and women with epilepsy can have marriage and can bear children without any difficulty. So, my friends, my message from this is that do not hide your epilepsy. Please see your doctor if you suspect he or she has got epilepsy. Go by doctor's advice, and with this and with regular medication and the other healthcare advice, they can have a normal life, and including normal married life, normal service and normal education profile.